Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart to replace the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S10. So if you're watching this video, chances are your battery is probably turning off on you or draining too fast on your S10. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take it apart to replace it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First off, let's go ahead and power the device off. Next up, we're going to remove the SIM and SD card tray up here at the top. So push in a SIM ejector tool and remove the tray. So next up, we're going to need to heat up the back cover of the phone. So we can do this with a hairdryer or a heat gun. We're going to give it heat around the edges. It's going to have some adhesive there that's holding it in place. So give it heat and continue to move around so that you don't burn the phone in one spot. You can also set it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use. I set it to 100 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for a couple minutes. And here are some of the tools that we will be using for this repair. So we'll be using this plastic card. We'll be using a suction cup. We'll be using a small Phillips head screwdriver. We'll be using some plastic prying tools like this one and this green one. And we'll be using some rubber gloves to protect us from the heat so that we don't burn our hands when holding the hot phone. So remember, we're going to have a link down below in the description for all of the parts and tools used for this repair. So once the phone is hot enough, let's go ahead and grab it. We're going to get the suction cup and we're going to place it towards the bottom where the charger port is on the back cover. And then we're going to lift up gently on the suction cup until we see a slight opening in between the glass and the frame of the phone. As we can already see here, there's already a slight opening. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of the thin prying tools to wedge it in there and hold it open. So this card is perfectly because it's super thin. So we can just squeeze it in there very gently and it will go in very easily. And then we'll move it around just to release the adhesive that's holding the glass to the frame. We can also use the help of a second plastic prying tool. We can wedge it in there and it will help to maintain the back cover open. And then next we're going to go down one of the sides of the phone entirely with the plastic card. We can now remove the suction cup. And then we'll just gently continue to go down the side here with this card, removing all of the adhesive that's holding the sides together here. It is recommended to use a plastic prying tool or a card like this so that you don't damage anything inside the phone. Once we slide it all the way down, we can wedge another prying tool in here to keep it open. And then we're going to work our way down the other side of the back cover with the card so that we can remove the adhesive that's on this side. Don't rush yourself, just take your time and go down gently so you don't crack the back glass. Also, you don't want to stick anything in there too much because you can damage the wireless charging cable and also internal parts of the phone. If you feel that the adhesive is getting hard to remove, go ahead and heat the phone up for a little bit longer and it will help loosen the adhesive to continue removing the rest of it. Alright, so it is going to have some adhesive also left over here at the top. So let's go ahead and finish removing what's left of the adhesive here at the top of the phone. So go ahead and lift up from the bottom of the back glass here. Let's finish releasing any leftover adhesive that might still be holding the back cover onto the frame. You might see some pieces of adhesive here that are still stuck. So just go in there and individually separate the pieces that are still holding it together. So once most of the adhesive is removed, we can go ahead and wiggle the back cover around from side to side. It might still have some adhesive left over here at the top. Here it has some in this top corner here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it with this plastic card. You can wedge it in there and move it around until the adhesive is completely released. There you go. Once it is, you can go ahead and lift up on the back cover and it will come out completely in one piece. So another thing is inspect and realign the adhesive onto the back cover so that it's ready when it's time to reinstall the back cover. So next step is with a small Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to be removing 15 small Phillips head screws that are holding the back parts of the phone to its frame. So once all of the Phillips head screws are removed, we're going to be removing the back pieces here of the phone. We're going to be using the plastic prying tool and we're going to wedge under the wireless charger cable here. It's going to be glued down to the bottom speaker. So we're going to wedge under it gently and remove the adhesive by sliding it in there and lifting up on it gently. Then we can use the prying tool to lift up on the plastic portion of the back piece, and the clips will be released and it will come off very easily in one piece. Next up is the bottom portion here. This is the loudspeaker, so we can just gently pry up on it with the plastic prying tool. Give it some pressure, prying it up slowly and gently so that you don't crack it. And once it releases all the clips, it will come off easily as well. So here we have the guts of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Here is the motherboard and all of the parts on the motherboard. So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery cable first, just to make sure there's no electricity flowing through the phone. And next we're going to be removing the battery. So we're going to heat up the front screen of the phone with either a hairdryer or heat gun, or you can put it on a hot plate like I prefer to use for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to loosen up the adhesive holding the battery to the frame of the phone. Once you feel that the battery is hot to the touch, then we're ready to start lifting it up. So we're going to use a plastic prying tool. Never use a metal prying tool because it can make the battery blow up. So we're going to squeeze the plastic prying tool gently and carefully in between the frame of the phone here and the battery. And we're going to give it some upwards pressure until the battery is released, and it will come out fairly easily with just a little bit of pressure. And once the adhesive is loose, you can go ahead and just grab the battery with your fingers and pull it out. And keep in mind that we will have a link down below in the description where you can get a new battery for your Galaxy S10. So once you have your new battery ready that you're going to install, go ahead and position it and align it correctly in the battery slot. Just place it down and go ahead and connect the flex cable. Once the battery is connected and all the cables are connected, we're ready to place everything back together in reverse order. And then just make sure that the adhesive on your back cover is aligned correctly so that we can glue it back to the frame of the phone. So go ahead and position the back cover to the back of the phone. Go ahead and position the top corner first. Once you have that in there aligned correctly, then we can go ahead and place the rest of it down to the frame of the phone. And then just make sure everything is aligned properly, and then we're going to go ahead and squeeze on all sides of this back glass. Go around all of the edges, giving it pressure and squeezing them firmly together so that the adhesive can do its job and glue back on to the phone. Go ahead and place your SIM card tray back in, and then you're ready to power your phone back on so that you can test it out. So there you have it. That was just a quick video helping you to take apart and replace the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S10. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. And that is it for now. I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.